So this is a pyramid trade that G put into trading Euro Swiss short, and he started the first. I think it's 2 trades. The first trade is on a 5-minute chart. So his overall result is 6R for this one. So let's have a look here what he did. So this is the 5-minute chart, and he took the trade here. Well, it's not very clear. This is the flat line, this thin line. I just recommend to make this line thicker, that you will see. I mean, immediately what you've been doing. Just make this bigger, and then everybody else will be easier. So this is the pattern. So this is the stop. So the stop is relatively big, right, on the TC chart. However, we have to put things into perspective, right? So what is in perspective is the momentum move. So basically, this is the momentum move, right? And taking it like comparing the initial stop with a momentum move, well, you've got about I don't know, a 4 to 1, 3.5 to 1. So here we've got that's a 200 spike trade, right? We might actually spike the 200. Well, 200 got tested here, and then it falls apart, right? It's like the bulls put all effort into touching the 200, and once this is done, well, they just rested, and the bears take over. This is in the overall downtrend of these higher time frames. So let's see what happened here. If you got a spike, well, that's it, right? That's a stop run move. We're spiking the 200. So now the second, that's a scale in. So he's building a pyramid. So this is another S1 pattern. Okay, now I can clearly see the line, and the stop is up here, and looks good. I mean, there's still room to go. So now it's most likely going to test here the bottom. Whether then it's breaking this low, I'm not sure, because we will be overextended once we get down here, right, from the moving averages. Same here, we're basically we're overextended. Well, it might actually break through. I mean, looking here at the weekly, it looks not, well, here it's not overextended. Monthly is not overextended. It might actually put in a big move. So, well, this is the second trade, and as of here, well, you actually unite your stops, right? So you bring the stop of your first trade, which is the 5-minute, which is well into profit now. It was taken up here, right? So that's a huge move already for this 5-minute. So you unite it here at the initial stop loss level. So then it continues basically. It goes down here, you reach the 4R level, and here you want to decide to swing trade, for example, right? Well, you don't leave your stop here. So here the stop is at the 25% profit level. Well, you have reached 4R. You cannot leave it here, right? You have to tighten it in any way. Either you apply the 75% profit trade or the swing trade algorithm. So with the swing trade algorithm, as of 4R, you're basically trailing both of your stops 1 time frame higher. So that would be here, right? And you basically put it right here behind this this swing high and behind the 21 moving average. So you should have gotten stopped out here. It's a pity you got stopped out, because you had 4R and now you're ending up with only 1R for this trade. And overall, you could have had a much better R result if you follow the exit rules, right? So it's clearly here that's the place to put it, at this dominant high. Here you put it, and here you get stopped out of both out of your pyramid. Still a great trade, and a lot of lessons learned here.